I'm going to show you how to line this half a sphere on this curvy road. We will use a tool that is called Snap Together tool. If you open up the options and just hit reset and close this out, and the way how this tool works is the way the norms are faces. Right now you can't see how the norms are facing. So if I turn the the normals on, display polygons, and turn this option on and select face normal, turn face normal on. There we go. Oops, a little tiny. Reset. It's going to be a custom polygon tool. Apply and face normal. There we go. Now we can see the normals better. You can see the normal are facing this around and this facing downwards. If it was facing upwards, when you place it onto the surface, it will actually be upside down. So what I'm going to do now is turn that off and go into modify and choose Snap Together tool. So I'm going to choose this surface first, underneath surface, and I'm going to choose this right here, and then just hit enter and it lines up. The Snap Together tool has this other option you can do. You can hit the snap to polygon face, and what that means is we're line up the middle of the face. So click this, and if I select this, now I select this, it snaps it to the middle of the face. And I hit G, the last command, hit G, hit the last command. You can see G, last command, and hit enter. Okay, so that's how you use the Snap Together face. I'm sorry, the Snap Together tool, not face. Thank you for your time. Bye.